How to download Hello app on Android mobile. So here I'm going to walk through some steps to download that. So on your device, first thing you need to make sure is that you're connected to a better internet connection, and after that open up your Play Store app. And then let me tell you saying that this application is not available in all different regions. So for instance, this application is not available in my region, so I'll just show you how you can actually install the application. So all you have to do is go to the search bar and search for Hello app. And as we can see that this application is not available in my phone. So in order to install, all you have to do is just click on that particular Hello app that you have on your phone, and then you will have an install button. One, as you can see in this application, as I took an example of this one. So just tap on install and then it will automatically start to download, and after done installing you'll be able to see an open button, and then tap on that open button, and then you will begin with process through which you can create your account. So in this way you can download Hello app on your Android mobile, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.